The first eruption of the Cumbre Vieja section of the La Palma volcano since the 1970s began on September 19, 2021. This eruption has just entered its 9th day and shows no signs of stopping anytime soon. With this being said, there are several recent developments. Earlier on the afternoon of September 26, social media recorded the aftermath of a small landslide near the western coastline. Although this landslide is likely caused by the ongoing volcanic activity, it does not have more sinister implications. Along cliff faces such as shown here, landslides are a common occurrence during small or moderate magnitude earthquakes. Thus, as volcanic earthquakes occur, more small volume landslides might originate on sections of land already structurally unsound. On the topic of a much larger landslide which people have suggested might occur from this eruption, do not worry because it won't. The size of the ongoing eruption is simply too small and the amount of ground deformation is insufficient. I want to add that YouTube even added a fact check confirming my assertion of there being no tsunami danger. Good job, YouTube. The second development relates to ongoing ground deformation. During the last 7 days, the ground was pushed upwards by up to 30 centimeters due to the intrusion of magma. However, on the 8th day, the uplift stopped and instead the ground began subsiding. This has a rather large implication as it suggests that the eruption may have already reached its peak intensity. If the subsidence continues, it indicates a decreasing supply of magma as the molten rock is draining elsewhere into the crust. Another less likely possibility is that a small supply of magma is draining into a different section of the volcano, perhaps an unseen submarine vent. Of course, this subsidence could only be a temporary change, so more time is needed to determine what exactly will happen next. Regardless, volcanic activity has definitely decreased from a peak of activity during the first week of the eruption. At one point, activity even seemingly stopped, but has since returned, meaning that the eruption will continue for several more weeks at a minimum. In the past several hours, the lava advanced past the town of Todoke and is now within 800 meters of the ocean. This means that the lava will create new volcanic hazards and additional dangers once it reaches the ocean, which could occur in a mere few hours. When lava interacts with seawater, it generates a series of intermittent moderately sized explosions, ejecting bombs of material up to several kilometers distant. Another hazard is that when this occurs, plumes of white vapor columns are created which contain abundant hydrochloric acid. As a result of this imminent danger, the communities of San Borondon, Marina Alta, Marina Baja, and La Condesa have been ordered to shelter in place. Remember, close all windows and doors so that any generated hydrochloric acid is unable to get inside your house. Of course, bring inside any pets you have as well and do not go outside for the immediate future. Further orders may be given for areas up to 5 kilometers distant from the advancing lava flows. When this lava does reach the ocean, it will begin adding additional landmass to the island of La Palma. Note the town of Bombilla near the coastline. It is built on a prominent lava fan which was constructed during the 1949 eruption of this volcano. That eruption added 1.5 square kilometers of land to the overall island, so a similar amount of land is expected to be added during the ongoing eruption. In summary, the ongoing eruption has covered 2.3 square kilometers with lava and destroyed more than 400 structures. Thanks for watching.